Big mama. Here's Shep. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, she does look like a cow. She looks so cute. Hey! You're so cute. Shep, come say hello. Likes Gail. Everybody likes Gail. Shep, stop chasing your tail. Come say hello to the lady. Come on. Shep. Shep! Look, she's black and white.
She doesn't have a fancy thing. I think I understand.
She's so pretty. She's such a pretty girl.
No, it's actually her. It's a camera.
Hey! She's totally uninterested in anybody on this side of the fence.
All right.
Okay, she looks good, right, Gail?
Hold on a second.
What's going on? Oh.
Okay. Not interested in that.
No, not interested in the dogs at all, right?
No.
No.
If there was a ball.
Yeah, she'd be interested in the ball.
Goodness. This dog loves balls. She does. She's totally ball obsessed.
Oh, good. You are so. Look at that face. What a pretty face.
It's right.
Here's Shep.
She's such a good ball player.
Yeah. She's a border collie in a pit bull's body.
Oh.
I have to give you something. Hold on. Sabaka, am I holding you? Wait a second. Do you want to give her a little bit of something?
Yeah, she didn't want to take it.
Really? This is lamb lung. Do you not want to take any? Look. Look, Gail's has it now. Look. It's yummy. No. No. Oh. Wow.
She's interested in the people.
Yeah, she really is. She
If you
wants
have
to.
a ball, she is your
She wants to
friend.
crawl out and just be with you instead of being behind the fence. You are so sweet. Look at you. Such a cute girl. Very, very sweet. I'm trying to get her from... Okay. It's very strong. Wait, Sabaka, are you thinking that you need to tell her where to go? Okay. There's Sabaka is right here. No, it's okay. Sabaka has her treats. It's all right. There's Sabaka. Good girl. Good girl, sweetheart. Uh-oh, she's smart. She's very smart. She knows how to open doors. Very, very smart. Are you trying to squeeze yourself in? Oh, I'm sorry. Shep, you just kicked me and I fell almost. Look at that. Look at that face. Get me out. Please, somebody get me out. Let me play ball. Shep, stop. Shep. Shep. Oh, it's okay. He does it all the time. You don't have to worry about him, sweet. She is so sweet. Look at her. She's such a good girl.